Understanding the phrase, first aid kit. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, first aid kit. This is a common phrase you might hear in various situations, and it's important to understand what it means, especially for non-native English speakers. So, let's dive in and learn about it together. A first aid kit is a collection of supplies and equipment used for giving medical treatment. It's a crucial tool in a variety of emergency situations. The term, first aid, refers to the initial assistance given to a person suffering from an injury or illness. The kit usually contains items like bandages, antiseptics, and basic medical tools. Understanding the significance of a first aid kit is vital. It's not just a box of medical supplies. It represents preparedness and safety. In emergencies, a first aid kit can be the difference between a minor injury and a severe one, or even between life and death. That's why it's essential in homes, schools, workplaces, and public places. Let's take a look at what you might find in a first aid kit. Common items include bandages and gauze of various sizes, antiseptic wipes and creams, pain relievers like aspirin or ibuprofen, scissors and tweezers, safety pins and adhesive tape, thermometer, gloves and masks. Understanding these items can help you be better prepared in case of an emergency. Knowing when and how to use a first aid kit is just as important as knowing what's in it. It should be used in any situation involving minor injuries like cuts, scrapes, or burns. However, it's important to remember that a first aid kit is not a substitute for professional medical care. In serious cases, always seek help from a medical professional. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand the importance and usage of a first aid kit. Remember, having knowledge about first aid kits is a step towards ensuring safety for yourself and others. Stay safe and prepared, and see you in the next video.